We've got some fresh number plates for the BMW E30. Need to peel off the sticker. But the old ones were looking proper crusty. And we've got some fresh BMW badges for the wheels as well. So yeah. Perfect.
What's happening, guys? I hope everyone's well. Me and Gobbee are on a deadly mission today. So yeah, we've had a busy morning and we're in Southend now. We're going to JM Essex Detailing. Man like Jay, we're not far, brother. Going to collect the E30 interior and we're gonna drop it off to Ilford. Brother Raj is gonna do the whole refurbishment on the interior. It's gonna come out like brand new. The car's going in for a full service and like a detail. So I've kept it simple like that, but we've got like, I'll be honest, we've got like 10 days to turn it around. So I don't know if they could do it. I think they can, but we need to head over there ASAP, get the interior out, go and drop it off and let the works commence. So yeah, guys, man, you guys are part of this whole journey and this madness with us. So yeah, stay ready, guys. Man like Jay, yeah, this guy, he's got mad cars coming in through this workshop like every other day. I've given him so many Skylines. And now a man like Jay's a Skyline specialist as well, you know. But yeah, man, it's looking really, really nice. Check out a special beast right behind you. That's Jay's pride and joy. That's his Shunar Bangla. Check this bad boy out. It's a BMW E30. Jay, you said it's got a 325 lump in there, innit?
Oh, 325 sport running gear.
Oh, wow, this is looking mint.
Limit slip diff, everything.
How long have you had it, Jay?
25 years.
Wow, you've had it 25 years. We're like 28. This guy's had this car for 25
I'm
years.
21, bro. I don't know how old you are.
Wow, it's nice. Looking really nice.
What? I'm guessing what? Night and bolt restoration.
It's been, I've done all the work.
Yeah.
It's been painted twice.
Painted twice.
Yeah.
The color is immaculate. I don't know if the picture can pick it up, but real life, this looks crazy.
Nice,
It's
looking
really
mint,
nice.
man.
What alloys are these? The BBS LMs?
Yeah, yeah, no, it's looking proper. Even the interior is looking clean. Just the lines on it, straight lines, man. This is what we love about it, man. You know, proper like, this is man like Jay's pride and joy. Yeah, guys, Jay does a lot of work for me, and honestly, I wouldn't want to take any of my cars anywhere else. I've got obviously a few of my local lads who look after me in London, but when it comes to, you know, getting out those deadly straight lines,
Yeah.
man like Jay's the man, I'm telling you.
Giving this work truck a valet or something.
Yeah, it's just got to get ready for sale for next week. Every truck.
Yeah, so what are you getting done to, or what's the customer having done?
Basically, once the wheels polished and he's having the whole bodywork done because it's up for sale.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, been here for about 10 years.
Jeez. Yeah, nice, nice, man.
As the full interior is now in the boot of the Tiguan. Jay's just going to tell us what he's going to do with the rest of the car.
Yeah, so it's come in obviously for quite a lot of work, Jay.
Yeah.
Tell the guys at home what we're doing.
So basically, the car's going to go to my boy GS Automotive. He's over in Canooden, Glen Sexton. He's going to basically recommission the whole car, do the cam belt kit, water pump, all the drive belts, plugs, brake fluid change, braided lines. Going to lower it. Yeah. And just basically make it look tip top so it's all ready.
Yeah, we're putting lowering springs on it, so it's going to look nice, innit? A bit more lower.
It'd be a lot better ride as well.
Yeah, nice.
Because at the moment you got no brakes, bro.
Yeah, we need the brakes to be working, especially with Fatima driving it. These old cars are very spongy, so if someone harsh brakes in front of you, or not even harsh brakes, the brakes normally, you don't have that much time to go on the brakes, so we need the brakes working and it's going to be a lot safer. So we've obviously got new pads and discs all around, braided lines, obviously fully service it, all
gearbox
the oil, gearbox oil as well. So we were saying the gearbox is quite jerky, guys. So Jay said maybe the change of oil will maybe make it a bit better. So we're looking forward to it. But how are you guys going to take it? There's no seats in it, Jay.
Well, Glen's got a recovery truck, innit?
Okay, no, I was thinking you could just put a little stall in this.
No.
Yeah, no, that's cool. If you guys are going to recover it, that's cool. But it's looking like a proper dog bucket without no interior. He's looking like
when you're at it, just like valet the carpet.
Yeah.
When he comes back to me, that's when I got to do my magic for him.
Trust me,
Cheeky, but he's actually gonna.
No, because look, Jay, there's some curry stains everywhere, bro.
You must have gone out last night, man.
Yeah, trust me, there's some curry stains.
Or you did have the car.
So yeah, no, but it's gonna be sick once it's done. So my sister doesn't actually know that we're having the interior done.
Oh really?
She don't know about the interior. She only knows that it's coming for a full service, timing belt, brakes, but she don't know about the interior. So basically that's gonna be a surprise. So we're gonna try and turn it around for her birthday day. Let's try our best in it, you know? It's gonna be a madness.
The car's in the right hands. The car's gonna get done.
Man, like Jay's ready. These are the original BBSs, and I think they've seen better days, man. Look at all the curb marking, the colours fading off, like here. So what we're planning to do, what I wanted to do, Jay, I've seen a few other E30s. They've got the diamond cut lip.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So it's gonna be nice and like shiny. And I want to do the insert like a dark grey, same like the car.
Yeah, like
I think the M3s have it like that colour.
Yeah.
So I wanted to do that. So yeah, man, like Jay's gonna be minting this thing.
Tell you what, Jay, man, just give us your one and take this one.
Yeah.
But also, the people we're going to use to do the wheels is a local company in Rochford called Alloy Art. My boy Luke runs it, and his work is tip top.
Jay, honestly, bro, I can't wait till it's done. But love for everything, man. I really appreciate it, man.
Respect.
Wicked, bro. See you soon, yeah?
See you
Safe,
later,
right?
man.
Yeah.
I was like, hold up a minute. I was like, I'll be able to stand up in that. There's a shower, there's a toilet. I was like, I could live in that. And I didn't stop thinking about it until I got one.
So where did you actually see it advertised then?
Well, no, I saw it on Instagram, and then I was like, where are they from? And I was like, they're from Brazil. And I started searching, you know, YouTube forums and all that. And then I found one. And I was like, it's called a Safari. And then I realised they were super rare. And then I reached out to people in forums and stuff. And then I was like,
This looks mad.
so I've only just done the floor. That's gone in, so the whole side come off was absolutely rotten. So
And you're doing it all yourself, all the woodwork, everything,
so,
yeah?
Because I'm a graphic designer, so I took a picture and then in Illustrator made my.
So that's the plan, how you...
Plan, yeah. So that was my cut list. You just couldn't.
Well, that engine wasn't strong enough
No.
to pull.
Overheats air cooled, innit? And it's at the back and
Yeah,
there's
so-
no air hitting it. It's not like an old Porsche 911, you know what I mean?
exactly, man. So done a Subaru conversion, have it lifted, disc brakes on the front. We've got the Willowwood.
Bloody, you got big calipers on there as well, man.
So we've
You got
done
the
that.
wheel hoods in there.
So we've had it lifted, new rims and tyres. But yeah, we're going all out. Got a crazy amount of solar, lithium batteries. Got lithium, solar going on the roof, lithium. Massive sound system.
You're gonna go to town with me,
mate,
yeah?
killer. So I do visuals.
Honestly, this looks mad. Like, I just looked at it and think, what the hell is happening next door? You know?
I know. I just saw him dancing.
Yeah, I've got a bit of old school jungle, you know what I mean? I'm like, come on, let's get into it.
Trust me, nah, it looks wicked, but
Yeah.
honestly, I can't
Oh,
wait
thank
to
you, I
see
really
it
appreciate that. No,
done. And what sort of horsepower is it going to be then? 'Cause
It's about 150 at the moment.
yeah,
You're trying to drag his,
you never
drag
know.
his camper van.
Put it on
no,
Santa Pod.
It's 150, but it needs to be tuned. You know, I'm sure I can get a few horses. So the air intake was in the engine bay, right? So it was really running warm, you know, and it's not good. So my creative mind. So I got this off of a Renault, whatever it is. You know, it's like one of them scoops for the bumper.
Yeah, air
And there was a little air filter intake there. So my idea was to,
Like
took
the-
me ages to find this. So I've made myself, look, I've routed a hole here. So I'm now done this, whoa, and I made my own pancake filter.
Yeah.
So then I'm going to make a little scoop on the back here that will then take all the cool air and directly in, so it's not in.
Yeah.
Like, you
Now
know,
that's crazy.
Take my intake temps down, and obviously hopefully give me a few more horsepower.
This is Frankenstein's or
yeah. Show you my Captain Stonefish on YouTube. There's the film of us finding it, buying it, and
That's your YouTube channel,
yeah,
yeah?
Captain Stonefish.
Okay,
yeah,
definitely
that's
we'll
my
give you a
arse
follow.
name.
Tag that below.
We've come back to London. I was pulling up outside Raj's address and gonna hand him over the interior parts. You can see the bloody interior is all like cramped up in the back, but we're gonna pull it all out and we're gonna show you the actual proper condition of them.
I think they have had some work in the past, but even then it's cracking up here. You can see obviously 36-year-old seats is starting, well, it's looking knackered right now. And this one's even worse. We didn't actually buy it with this bit all torn up and like fallen
Just
off.
come off along the way.
Yeah,
innit?
it just come off along the way. So I think my sister must have had some of her mates in the car, and it must have just come off. 'Cause
Already
it wasn't,
setting blame.
it wasn't like that when we bloody bought it. But yeah, so they're obviously looking quite knackered. This is the back bench, the horseshoe they call it. Even obviously when we're gonna get all the works done, that's gonna be nicely painted as well, matching the interior. This is the rear seats. So they're not too bad compared to the front, but you can still see like it's cracking up here. I think on one side, Raj even said that it's been a different leather, isn't it? Yeah, it's been re-trimmed on one part as well. So you can just see it's cracking up here. And at the same time, the door card is here as well. So the door card is going to be color matched.
We'll show you our seats once it's done, but just to give you an example of what Raj does. So obviously this one's not been done yet. You can see it's all oily, greasy, God knows how many years of dirt that's got on it. But yeah, he'll take it back a few layers, he'll fill up all the cracks, give it a nice paint. Obviously if you do want to change the color, I'll show you one there, he's changed the color on, and then they basically put another fresh layer on it. But if you don't want to retrim and you want to keep your original seats, like
looking OEM.
Yeah, some cars, like if you got old Porsche or something, you want to be able to say, I've got the original interior in it. This is the best way forward for you. So as you can see, look, this one's done. It's nice. It's got a matte finish. It's all stiff again. It's proper original.
It's looking fresh and feeling fresh. You know, it's looking proper, man. It's looking like brand new. And you can see the headrest. Show them the headrest, how oily that is compared to this bit here.
Yeah.
So, you know, he's making these old cars look like brand new again.
Yeah. So even color changes. So you got these, obviously that's one matching set, but I think it's getting changed into black.
Into black,
yeah. So you can see it looks, compared to what it used to be,
mate, that's looking fresh.
it's looking brand new. Obviously, retrim interior right now will set you back maybe about £6,000.
Because easily on any car now to do a full retrim, it's going to be easily anywhere from 5-6 grand. I know, 'cause I've had a few quotations, and the truth is, this sort of like work to re-dye the interior, how he's doing it, on average you're saving like half the money. So
yeah, 100%.
you can't complain. We're on a budget, like, you know, can't be spending like 5-6 grand on a bloody.
We'll get all the grease off these. Raj, you do a good job, man.
Yeah,
from looking at what he's done so far on other cars.
Yeah, from looking at his work, honestly, it's crazy. Like, I couldn't believe that you could actually do this stuff. I didn't even know these things existed. But after seeing his work, I'm just so shocked. I can't wait to see our interior all finished.
You're not gonna keep the M badge if you get it retrimmed, that's for sure.
Honestly, guys, it comes out like
this before.
It comes out like brand new. You wouldn't even think like you know that's what's been done to it. But
he's shown us.
I can't wait to see the finished product. Obviously, Jay's busy in Southend with the detailing of the body and the interior as well, the wheels and the full service. So they're gonna be busy with that. Raj is busy with obviously the interior. So yeah, I can't wait till it all comes together, and it's gonna look sick, man. Trust me, it's gonna look mad. But yeah, guys,
it's gonna take about 1-2 weeks, guys. Until then, stay tuned
and stay ready.